Hello children, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is longitudes and time. Children, as I told you in the last video that longitudes are very important to us to know about the time. Okay, how we will discuss it in this video. Children, we know that Earth having two type of movement, that is rotation and another one is revolution. Okay, what is rotation? Children, when the earth rotate, okay, when the earth rotate on their fixed axis, okay, and children, we know that earth rotate from west to east. Okay, earth rotate from west to east. Okay, so when the earth rotate there on their axis, it is known as rotation, and revolution when the earth revolve around the sun. But here we will only discuss about the rotation and the time. Okay, children, we know that earth complete their one rotation, okay, in one day. And how many hours are there in one day? Yes, 24 hours. Okay, children, one rotation, earth complete their one rotation in 24 hours. That means in 24 hours it covered 360 degree. Okay, it covered 360 degree in 1 hour. That means every meridian receive morning, experience morning, evening, noon and night. Right. So children, how many degree earth will complete in 1 hour? It will complete 15 degree in 1 hour. Okay, and in 1 and it will, okay, and in 1 degree it will cover 4 minutes. Okay, it will take 4 minutes, sorry, it will take 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. That means sunlight will take 4 minutes. Okay, earth will take 4 minutes to reach from 0 degree to 1 degree. Okay, earth will take 4 minutes to 0 degree to 1 degree, and another 1 degree it will again take 4 minutes. Children, in the eastern hemisphere, okay, in eastern hemisphere time will be ahead. Okay, time will be ahead because we know that the movement of earth is from west to east. Okay, so that's why in the eastern hemisphere time will be ahead, and in the western hemisphere time will be behind. So in the eastern hemisphere we will plus 4 minutes. Okay, we will plus 4 minutes on each meridian. Okay, and in the western hemisphere we will minus 4 minutes on every meridian. Okay, children, now if we will know the meridian, okay, then we will able to know about the, we will able to calculate the time. Just take an example, we having two places. Okay, and children, that is 0 degree and 1 point and B point. Okay, now we have to calculate the time of A and B. A is situated on 60 degree east and the B situated on the 60 degree west. Now you can able to find the time. Children, I told you earth takes, okay, earth complete 15 degree, okay, 15 degree in 1 hour. Okay, and here it is 60 degree. Right, you can easily calculate. And another way to calculate the time, we will multiply the time 60 degree into 4. Okay, because we know that every meridian having 4 minutes. Okay, so that what will come? 0, 24. Okay, that is minute. Now convert it into the hour. It will be 4 hour. Okay. Then, and suppose here it is 12 o'clock. Okay. Then what will be time of A point? It is in the 60° eastern hemisphere, and the B point on the 60° western hemisphere. Yes. Now for the eastern hemisphere, okay, we will plus 4 hour in 12, that it will become what? 4 o'clock at evening. It will evening, 4 o'clock at evening. Okay. And B point, I told you that we in the western hemisphere we will minus, so we will minus 4 hour. Okay, we will minus 4 hour in 12 hour. Okay, 12 o'clock. Then what will be the time? Yes, 8 o'clock. Okay, and it will be morning. Okay, so children, you can see, okay, when prime meridian, okay, when 0° will receive noon time, that in the eastern hemisphere, Japan, Tokyo having morning, and the USA, New York will have what? Yes, they will have evening. Okay, children, now we can able to calculate the time. Now children, India's standard time is 82. India's taken their standard meridian as 22.5°. Now you can able to calculate the time. What will be the time of India when the prime meridian will have 12 o'clock? Okay. Yes, and children, all the countries prime meridian is most important, because all the country set their time from the prime meridian. So it is also known as this prime meridian time known as Greenwich Mean Time. It is known as Greenwich Mean Time, and all the countries set their watch according to the Greenwich Mean Time. India also set their time from the Greenwich Mean Time. Children, we have two type of time, standard time and the local time. What will the local time? Children, we know that every meridian having their own time. Okay, that means if we will go 1° in the eastern hemisphere, the time will be 4 o'clock. Okay, then 8 o'clock, then it will increase. Okay, it will ahead, and when we will go in the western hemisphere, it will decrease. That means if 12 o'clock on the prime meridian, that time in the western hemisphere it will 11:56, then again it will 11:52. Okay, 11:52, then we will minus it. And children, on the okay, so every meridian having their local time. But children, to avoid the confusion, okay, to avoid confusion, all the country selected their standard meridian. Okay, all the country, to avoid the confusion, they select their standard meridian. And India also selected their meridian on 22.5°. Okay, and it is 5 hour 30 minute. Okay, 5 hour 30 minute ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, children, now come to the standard meridian. Children, many country time zone. Okay, come to the next. It is time zone. Okay, standard meridian. You got to avoid the confusion. Many countries select their time standard meridian. Okay, India, children, India lie from the 67 degree to 97 degree. Okay, it is roughly I am writing here. Okay, so the it is 30 degree. Okay, India extend the longitudinal extension almost 30 degree. Okay, longitudinal extension of India is almost 30 degree. That means it is 12 from west to east. It having 12 hour differences. Okay, so India selected their meridian in middle line which pass from the 82.5 degree. Okay, and it is 5 hour 30 minutes ahead from the Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time. Every country select their time standard meridian from the Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, and children, then come to the next, time zone. Okay, time zone. Children, we know that okay, Earth complete their one rotation in 24 hours. Okay, and Earth complete 15 degree in 1 hour. So whole the Earth okay divided into 56 time zone. Okay, Earth divided into Earth having 24 time zone, and when you will go from and many country okay in the world like Russia, Canada, they are covering more than 2, 3 and 5 time zone. That means one time zone. Okay, the area from the 0 degree to 15 degree come under the one time zone. Okay, then again 15, 30 degree, another 22 again second time zone, and like this it is divided into 24 time zone. And children, many countries like Russia, Canada are so big. Okay, and their extension, longitudinal extension are very their longitudinal extension are too long. Okay, so that time they having more than 3 and 4 time zone, and when they will pass, when the people will pass from one time zone to another time zone, they have to set their watch according to the next time zone. Okay, and India also come under the 2 time zone because it having also 30 degree, almost 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree average, longitudinal average is 30 degree. So India also lie in the 2 time zone. Okay, in 2 time zone, but it follow the one standard time. Sorry, it follow only one standard time. Okay, India having one standard time which is on 82 and half degree. Okay, 82 and half degree. It is known as India's IST, India's standard time. Children, that is about the time, longitudes and time. Thank you.